All right, ladies and gentlemen, in this video we are going to discuss how to prove that triangles are similar by side-angle side similarity theorem. So far we've discussed angle-angle similarity, side-side similarity, and now we will finish up with the side-angle side similarity theorem. What we're saying here, folks, is that, hey, if we have two correspondingly proportionate side lengths in the included angle, then it's enough information to show that the two triangles are similar. So what do we mean? What we're saying here is that ZX, right? So ZX, this one right here, is proportionate to PM just as XY is proportionate to MN. So basically these scale factors are the same. Maybe they have both got reduced by 1/2. I don't know exactly, but they have the same reduction or the same enlargement for that to happen. So these two pairs were proportionate, but the included angles, the angles that were in between them, those angles are congruent. So here is our side, our angle, and back to our side. So side, angle, side, similarity. Let's see about this in some application. It says you are building a lean-to shelter starting from a tree branch as shown. It wants to know, can you construct the right end so it is similar to the left end using the angle measure and lengths shown below. So how do we really go about this? Well, the concept is EF, or should be FGH, the contrast here is triangle, is triangle FGH similar to triangle ABC? Like, that's what the question we are asking here. Can you construct so that it's similar? Is it similar? Because they've given you all the information of the construction. They want you to know, is it similar? So let's find out. Well, I am going to go ahead and see about our side angle side similarity theorem. Why? Because I noticed the positions of everything. I'm given side angle side to discuss here. I'm going to try to use that to my advantage. So what I want to do is I want to identify our scale factors / our ratios and identify if the angle that is in between our corresponding side lengths, if they are congruent to each other. So let's go ahead and find out the first corresponding pair. So AB is to FE. Those two pairs, they are corresponding to one another. And that means their side length is 9/6 for a scale factor of 3/2. So there is my first side. I'll put side over here in parentheses for S. Then I'm going to now identify my angle. So I'm going to put angle here in parentheses. I clearly see that angle F is congruent to angle A, right? So those are the included angles. And the other side that I want to take into account is the corresponding side length of AC to FH. Okay, so what do I see? I have 15/10. And 15/10 also simplifies to 3/2. So yes, by the side angle side similarity theorem, I can show that these two triangles are in fact similar to one another.